Welcome to this installation video for the peak cable railing system. In this video, you will see just how easy it is to install the peak cable railing system. Let's look at the tools and safety equipment needed to install the peak cable railing system. Now let's get started. Start by measuring and marking the position of all posts, spacing them equally, ensuring the maximum span between posts is 6 feet and the maximum length for each cable run is 30 feet. Position the first post, ensure the post is plumb, and secure it in place using the appropriate fasteners for your deck or concrete structure. Remove the spacer from the base rail and temporarily position the second post, but do not secure it yet. Cut the hand and base rail to fit between the posts. Insert the base rail support into the base rail and position it approximately at the center. Determine the cut length of the base rail spacer by measuring the base rail length. Then divide that measurement by 2 and subtract 5/32 of an inch to account for the center picket. Cut the spacer to the calculated length and install the first spacer into the base rail. Insert the rails into the first post and secure them with 3/4 inch panhead self-drilling screws. Install the picket bracket onto the top of the picket and position the picket into the center of the rails against the spacer and ensure the picket is plumb. Then secure the picket bracket in place with 2 3/4 inch panhead self-drilling screws. Now insert the second spacer piece into the base rail and cut any excess so it is flush with the end of the rail. Secure rails to the posts and fasten the post to the deck surface. Then fasten the base rail support to the deck surface, ensuring it is centered under the picket. Then install the post base covers and repeat for all remaining posts. Feed the cables through the holes of all posts. For corner posts, feed the lacing tool through the corner post holes. Then insert the cable securely within one end of the lacing tool and push the cable to thread it around the corner. Then remove the lacing tool and pull the cable through the holes. Set the length of the adjustable fittings to 4 1/8 inches and install the cables into the fitting. Pull the adjustable fitting back through the post holes and cut the cables so 1 foot remains on the other end. Repeat these steps for all 11 cables. Now install a non-adjustable fitting onto the loose end of the cable and slide it along the cable into the end post hole. Repeat for all cables. Tension all cables using locking pliers and a wooden block to apply maximum tension. Starting at the middle cable, use a 3/16 hex key and a wrench to reach the required tension of 150 pounds. We recommend using a tool called a cable tension gauge or wire rope tension gauge, which is compatible with cable railings. Check your cable's tension at least once per year. Then, working your way outward, tension the remaining cables. Multiple passes may be needed to ensure all cables are tight. Use a rotary tool with a cut-off wheel to cut excess cable flush with the end of the non-adjustable fitting. Take care not to damage the post with the grinder and repeat this for the remaining cables. Then install the cable fitting caps to complete the installation. For stair installations, please refer to the installation guide. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your peak cable railing system, available exclusively at the Home Depot.